Welcome to day 5 of Prompt Engineering AI Image Generation series. First, open ChatGPT and press plus icon to add image. And if you know the prompt, you can start writing the prompt. But if you don't know the prompt, you can pause this video to write a prompt. So I mentioned in the prompt enemy style, expression, armor styles, X words, details and textures, lighting, and camera and lens. So after that you can submit this prompt. It will take a couple of seconds. So boom. So if you want to create your own version, just comment AI. I'll send straight into your inbox. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.